Ever wondered what's worth more than LeBron James's $40 million mansion in Beverly Hills? Let me give you a hint. It's definitely not his blings. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the captivating watch collection of NBA superstar LeBron James, featuring some of the most luxurious and exclusive timepieces from brands like Audemars Piguet, Patek Philippe, and Rolex. Don't miss out on discovering the intricacies and stories behind these iconic watches, and find out which timepiece in LeBron's collection broke records by selling for an astounding $6.5 million. LeBron James, also known as King James, is one of the most iconic and accomplished players in NBA history. Not only is he a four-time NBA champion and a two-time Olympic gold medalist, but he's also a style icon, with a watch collection that's as impressive as his game. LeBron's love for watches is well known, and he has an impressive collection that ranges from the iconic Rolex DAYTONA to the flashy Patek Philippe Nautilus. But one watch in particular stands out among the rest: the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Black Panther. This limited edition timepiece is not only a collector's dream, but also a tribute to one of Marvel's most iconic superheroes. The watch features a sandblasted titanium case with a black ceramic bezel and crown, inspired by the Black Panther's suit. The dial showcases a hand-painted white gold 3D sculpture of the Black Panther, with intricate details on his hands, claws, muscles, and facial features. The flying tourbillon at 6 o'clock adds to the overall appeal of the watch, with its two-tone design perfectly matching the aesthetics of the watch. LeBron's love for this watch is evident from his social media posts, where he's been seen wearing it on multiple occasions. The watch comes with a purple rubber strap, which adds a pop of color to the overall design. It also comes with an additional black rubber strap, giving the wearer the option to switch up the look as desired. The retail price of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Black Panther is $167,000. With only 250 pieces, it sure is a coveted purchase, if one can ever find it lying in stores. Moving on to another impressive watch in LeBron's collection, we have the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Arnold Schwarzenegger Legacy watch. This timepiece is a limited edition timepiece created in collaboration with Arnold Schwarzenegger. It features a black ceramic case with a titanium bezel and pushers, as well as a hand-stitched black alligator strap. The watch boasts a black dial with contrasting silver subdials and a date window, with luminous hour marker hands for enhanced legibility. As for the movement, the watch is powered by the self-winding caliber 2326/2840 with 50 hours of power reserve. On the market, this watch is valued at around $35,000. Aside from the Arnold Schwarzenegger Legacy watch, LeBron also owns the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Tourbillon Extra Thin. This watch is a rare gem in his collection, featuring a tourbillon complication and a sleek extra thin design. While the specific market price for the one LeBron owns is not available, similar models of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Tourbillon Extra Thin range from $200,000 to $300,000. Next on the list is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Jumbo Extra Thin 16202. This particular watch is crafted from 18-karat yellow gold and features a smoked yellow Petite Tapisserie dial that truly sets it apart from other luxury watches. The Jumbo Extra Thin 16202 has become one of the most iconic watches in the Royal Oak collection, with its timeless design and unmatched attention to detail. LeBron was spotted wearing this watch during the Summer League in July 2022, further showcasing his love for exquisite timepieces. The market price for this stunning watch is approximately $475,000, making it a true investment for any watch collector. The watch's yellow gold casing is complemented by a matching bracelet and a sturdy clasp, ensuring its durability for years to come. LeBron's collection doesn't stop there. He also owns the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Perpetual calendar. This new release from September 2022 features a 41mm blue ceramic case and bracelet, a first for the Royal Oak Perpetual calendar line. The watch is powered by the automatic caliber 5134, which boasts a 40-hour power reserve and is visible through the sapphire crystal caseback. The blue dial showcases the iconic Grand Tapestry pattern with blue counters, white gold applied hour markers, and luminescent coated Royal Oak hands. The blue inner bezel adds an extra touch of elegance to the already stunning watch. The watch also features a perpetual calendar function displaying the day, date, month, leap year, and moon phase on the subdial. The bracelet is paired with an AP folding clasp in black and polished steel. The watch is 9.5mm in height, and its retail price timepiece is around $109,500. With its stunning blue ceramic finish and intricate details, it's no surprise that LeBron has added this exceptional timepiece to his collection. In addition to the Audemars Piguet watches we've already discussed, he also owns an Audemars Piguet Royal Oak set with blue sapphire gemstones, which he wore to the 2022 UEFA Champions League final. The watch features the iconic tapestry evolutive pattern with baguette-cut blue sapphire hour markers and a stunning bezel set with 32 baguette-cut blue sapphires. The market price for this exceptional timepiece is around $550,000. LeBron's collection also boasts an exquisite Patek Philippe timepiece, the 6102R. This watch is more than just a beautiful accessory. It allows its wearer to track what happens in the night sky above us. The dial is a work of art, showcasing the pattern of the stars as seen from the northern hemisphere, with the added feature of tracking the moon's phases as it circles the dial. The 6102R is not only a testament to Patek Philippe's watchmaking expertise, but also to their dedication to astronomy and the art of horology. As of September 2022, the market price for the Patek Philippe 6102R ranges from around $380,000 to $480,000 on Chrono24. With its unique design and function, it's no surprise that this watch has found its way into LeBron's impressive collection. He also owns the Patek Philippe Nautilus 5980 in rose gold, with a market price of $275,000 to $300,000. But let's talk about the real showstopper, the Patek Philippe Nautilus with a Tiffany blue double-signed dial. This watch features a stunning blue dial with horizontal stripes complemented by a day-date display at 3 o'clock and luminescent hour markers. The sapphire crystal caseback is printed with Tiffany & Co. Patek Philippe 170th Anniversary 1851 to 2021, adding to the watch's exclusivity. The Nautilus case has a size of 40mm and is made of stainless steel. The watch is powered by the self-winding caliber CH28-520C movement, which provides a power reserve of up to 55 hours. This masterpiece was released in 2021 to celebrate the 170th anniversary of Patek Philippe, and it quickly became one of the most sought-after watches in the market. The retail price of this watch is $52,000, but due to its rarity and exclusivity, it was sold at auction for a whopping $6.5 million. It's no surprise that LeBron had this stunning timepiece in his collection, as it's truly one of a kind. LeBron's collection continues with the Richard Mille RM11-03 automatic flyback chronograph Jean Todt. This watch is made with blue quartz TPT, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. The watch features a skeletonized dial, which allows the wearer to see the inner workings of the watch. It also includes a flyback chronograph, enlarged date, month indicator, and a rotor with changing geometry. All of these features make this watch not only a beautiful piece to add to a collection, but also a functional timepiece. The market price for this watch is around $550,000. With its stunning design and impressive functionality, it's no wonder why LeBron added this timepiece to his collection. Next up, we have the Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger, a truly mesmerizing timepiece that is sure to turn heads. The bezel of this watch is set with 38 baguette-cut diamonds, adding a dazzling touch of luxury. The champagne subdials are intertwined with brilliant cut diamonds and black lacquer, creating a striking contrast against the gold case. The Eye of the Tiger is a highly sought-after model among collectors, with a market price around $300,000. It's an extremely rare watch that even the sultans and kings sought to have. His collection also includes the Rolex Daytona reference number 116588 TBR, which has a market price of around $155,000 to $160,000. He also owns the Rolex Day-Date 2 in 18-karat yellow gold with a black dial, reference number 218238, which has a market price of around $55,000 to $60,000. Both watches are a great addition to LeBron's already impressive collection. Next up is the Rolex Day-Date 2. It's a luxurious and classic timepiece that boasts a 41mm case made of yellow gold. The dial features elegant Roman numerals and a black finish, giving the watch a sophisticated and timeless appearance. One of the most notable features of this watch is its iconic president bracelet, which is also crafted entirely in yellow gold and provides a comfortable and secure fit on the wrist. The Day-Date 2 is not only stylish but also practical, as it is equipped with a date display as well as a day-of-the-week window, both of which are displayed prominently on the dial. The watch is powered by a self-winding mechanical movement, providing reliable and accurate timekeeping. The retail price of the Rolex Day-Date 2 is around $34,850, making it a high-end and exclusive watch that is sought after by collectors and watch enthusiasts alike. With its timeless design and impeccable craftsmanship, the Day-Date 2 is a true icon in the world of luxury watches. With such a diverse and exceptional collection, it's no wonder that LeBron James is considered one of the most prominent watch collectors in the NBA. As we've seen from limited edition Audemars Piguet timepieces to the stunning Rolex Day-Date 2, LeBron's collection boasts a range of unique and valuable watches that truly reflect his appreciation for fine horology. We've explored some of the most luxurious and highly sought-after pieces, including the captivating Patek Philippe Nautilus with a Tiffany blue dial and the mesmerizing Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship that makes these timepieces one of a kind. So, which of these incredible watches would you choose if you could add just one to your collection?